Hi there, my name is Devin Fraze, and I'm here to help you learn how to use the baduk.club website today. You can get here by going to baduk.club, baduk.club.com, baduk.club.org, or if you want to share the game or the map with people that don't know what Baduk is, you can always send them to wheretoplaygo.com. Anyway, if you find any of these, you'll arrive here, although the Where to Play Go takes you to the map directly. And, there's lots of text you can read, and very exciting. But we're probably interested in exploring the map, so let's do that. Go to explore the map, and it loads. I can see there's some markers. Starts us out in the US, because that's where I'm from. And in fact, I'm also from Ohio, so let's go see if there's some interesting clubs in Ohio. Now, I made these myself because I'm the organizer in Columbus, so I'm going to go up and learn more about Cleveland. Looks like Cleveland has a Go Club. They can also write their meetup name here for the special night. Looks like they last updated their club 2 months ago, which is good to know. Pretty recent, so I can trust that the information here is correct. Wednesday night is when they meet, and they meet at this location right there, La Place. So I can go and click, and actually I can see some more information as well, descriptors. So it's free, beginners are welcome, and they have a website, clevelandgo.org. That's great. If I had any questions, I could contact the organizer by clicking here, which would open up my mail account, and then I could send them an email. Now, I'm kind of interested in creating my own meetup. So I'm going to go up here and click Add Our Meetup. Add Your Meetup. Now to do that, I have to create an account. We don't want any random people adding meetups. We want to be able to let people know that it's a real thing. So we click Sign Up, and we enter an account. I have this email. It's a real email, but we're just using it for testing purposes. And I'll come up with a real password as well. And it has to meet these requirements, or some subset of them. So continue. And I'm approved. However, I still can't add a meetup yet because I have to make sure that the email is verified. So we're going to go over to my mail client, and I'm going to notice that if I refresh, I have a new email from Baduk Club to verify my email. So I come in here, I say, yes, Baduk Kitten, Mom Dog, verify account, and boop, taken back to the site. Now you can see the landing page has changed. No longer is it just the text, standard text we saw before, but it's a directory of meetups and also players, which is great. So I can add my meetup from here or go back to the map and do it. I'll just do it from here for now. All right. This is the Kittens Play Go meetup. And, or you can even say club. And we gotta choose a place. I like the end of the world. There's a really great place down in Ushuaia that I'm gonna have my club be. It is in the Arctica hostel. And that's a real place. I gotta choose a real place. I can't, put in something fake. And then choose your meeting time. We can meet a lot of different times. Maybe mine's a Monday, Wednesday, Friday meetup each week from 5 to 7. Or maybe one Monday and Wednesday from 5 to 7, but Friday we meet a little bit later because it's the weekend. So I'm going to uncheck Friday. I'm going to confirm. Go in here. I'm going to add a new meetup time. This one's just going to be Friday. And we set a little bit later. So this is like 8 till 10. And confirm that. So now we have 2 meetup times. Now let's say I'm actually creating a special event instead. Then if we're doing a special event, we just do once, and we can choose day sometime in the future, or even a 2-day event. And let's say it's a 2-day tournament, and we're going to start registration at 9 a.m. and we're going to finish award ceremony at 5. It's hopefully wrapped up by 7 p.m. on the 25th. So that'll work. Can go tournament at the hostel, and we'll confirm. Now you can only add one, if it's a one-off thing, you can only add one time, which makes sense. This tournament is amazing. Meow. So let everyone know what they need. Bring your own boards, please. Yeah, because I don't happen to have enough to run a big tournament. So We can also make this private invite private, the meetup private, if we wanted to by clicking here. And that way, in case it's in our house or it's a special event that invite only, you can make it that way. Now, the most important thing is I want to make sure that I am the organizer of the meetup. If I was just part of this club or meetup and I'm not actually the organizer, then I don't want to make this because I'm going to be the contact person for the meetup put in the directory. So since I am the organizer, I'm going to hit submit. Great, there's my tournament. Now I can edit it right here, and I can also delete it as well, just as easily. Now you can see here, we have some cool buttons. If I go down attendees, I'm the only attendee currently, but I might want to invite my friend, so I can create a link, boop, boop, populates there, and then copy my link, and now I have a link that I can paste wherever I want on the internet to invite people to my meetup. On Facebook, Instagram, emails, whatever. To my tournament, I guess. I can also, if people show up, we can play games. I'll show you that in a little bit. Now, let's go to the map and see our meetup down here. Oh, it's a real meetup. There we go. En Ushuaia, end of the world, the fin del mundo. So right down there near Antarctica. Very exciting. And our meetup's information is populated. So Baduk Kitten isn't my real name. My real name, let's go to profile, settings, is Kittens McGee, McMahon, Kittens McMahon. So there we go, spelled properly. And I'm actually pretty strong. I am a 2-dan. Kittens McMahon is. Also can update my photo and phone number. Now, if I'm an organizer, having my phone number here is going to be useful in the future. It'll allow people to contact or call me if they want to have information about the meetup before they attend. If you're not an organizer, it might not be as important to put this information in here. Now, got to get a photo of myself, so I'm going to go over and find a URL on the internet. You can use your OGS URL or some other Facebook URL. Luckily, I have my photo right here, and just paste it right in. And there we go. So submit, and I've been updated. Kittens McMahon, rank 2-dan. Okay, now let's play some games. No one's in my meetup, so maybe I can find another meetup to join. So we'll go to the map, and we'll see if there's anything interesting in the world. Maybe I'll see what those sneaky Russians are up to. They're always doing cool stuff. Oh yeah, look at that. The Puppy Go Club, last updated an hour ago. Yeah, very recent. Looks like they meet every day. From 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. all day in the Puppin House. Interesting. Puppies rule. Bring it, kittens. Oh yeah, I gotta join this meetup. There's Playful Pup. He's the organizer. 9p. Very strong. And so we'll sign myself up. Now Kittens McMahon is a part of the meetup. If I refresh, maybe it'll show my picture. There we go. I'm not quite as strong, but it'll be a fun game. So let's say I go to the club. Now I'm at the club. I like to record my game. We play and Pup beats me. That's okay. He, since he's so strong, was playing as white. We want to look him up by typing the name in, and then we're going to come in here and we'll put in my name. And if I want, I could click there, but there's no Comey because it's such a high-ranked game. Let's say I played with 5 stones handicap. So now I have this information to submit, and this game is going to be kept for records, which is pretty wonderful. Later, if I come to my profile, I'll be able to see statistics on my wins and losses, and potentially on Playful Pups as well. So good to know, how they're doing. Other than that, let's go back to our meetup because it isn't real. So Kittens Play Go tournament, and we're going to delete it. Oh, please enter your ID to confirm. What is the ID? Doesn't say it anywhere, but not too hard to find actually. We're just going to go up here, and this event list right there, that's the ID. We're going to copy that and paste it in to our block. And now the event has been deleted. Okay, so that's pretty useful. What else can we do on the site? Well, that's it for now. A couple different things to know. You got the terms and privacy policy. We take privacy very seriously, and our terms are long but fair. I wrote them myself, and they're not sneaking anything in there. If you'd like to contact support, you can email support at baduk.club and report bugs and stuff like that. If you just want to chat or talk about features or make requests, you can email us up at hello@baduk.club. But just clicking this link will send you to the email list as well. And lastly, if you like this site and you want to support it, I'd really encourage you to click Buy Me a Coffee. It's going to take you over to our Ko-Fi donation page. And Derek, he's been working his butt off to program the site. It'd really be wonderful if you threw him a buck or two and, wrote him a nice message. And let your name if you want. And you can click here to go to PayPal and set that up securely so we don't have to deal with the payment information. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to check out the website, and hopefully that answered all your questions. If not, again, feel free to reach out, and we'll be happy to serve you and the Go community. Bye.